If you don't like me, you can get out here. If you don't like me, you can go away. Yeah. If you don't like me, just go away.
The oil that we
You get Chiamaka.
Yes.
Chiamaka.
You
get one woman for Facebook now. Her name na Moon. Her Moonlight. I don't forget
that idiot's name on my page.
I'm not the like evil spirit.
It's invisible. Now, mommy, what happening? Leave her.
Forbid.
They carry the balaba eyelashes. All those 200 eyelashes where they go.
I insult her today. I insult her well. I was so pissed. Like, wait till this.
That means she they drag them.
mad.
I give nothing about me. If you talk about me, you're gonna blow. Keep talking about me because if they don't talk about me, they are not gonna have viewers.
What you call the name?
Talking about me, they don't fucking have viewers.
And I'm Moonlight.
If you don't like me, you can go to the pit of hell.
I'm not. And then go change to Moon Darkness very soon.
The woman not just get sense. Evil. And I'm a child woman, no, but she still not get sense. Her sense the back of her head.
Listen to me. She's not matured, because if she's matured, she's not going to sit down talking about me. Because it's one thing about me, see, I'm a star. I am a star and I will arise and shine. If they do not use my name, they can't have viewers. But once they mention my name, they have viewers and much. Do you understand? So me, I understand you're trying to use me to eat. I want to get their time. As long as you don't come to my fucking face to tell me shit, then to hell with you. You're invisible to me. I only talk to people that care about me. If you don't care about me, if you don't love me, then fuck you, go to hell. I don't care. If you're for me, you're for me. If you're not for me, then me too, I'm not for you. You understand? Life goes on. Hello, Mommy Remy. Good evening, Mommy. I saw that cap. Oh my gosh. Idiot, Amaka, why they is? She be like, let them be pressing on yash. Go and still let them press on yash. They pay you as they give me gifts. Go let them press on yash.
Jesus Christ. I beg, lemon travel. Give on your yash, making the press now. What's happen? I press her for you. You can come now, let me press it for you. Let me press you hot water. What's happen?
Mommy, I'm fine. Thank you, Alia's mom. Thank you, Alia's mom. Thank you, mom.
Let's make you the scream. Let's see chucky something there. Just say this girl they collect something for.
Hey, Chiamaka, you too spoil. God, I beg.
You said, Queen, no say she they shout.
You wanna fight?
Hello, ma'am.
You wanna fight?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening,
I'm Chiamaka.
Good evening, Mommy.
Good evening, Mary. How are you?